Hi friends, good afternoon. An important topic in hair transplant is hair transplant in women, in ladies. And how is hair transplant in women different from hair transplant in men? There are very important differences that we must take care of. First, in women, so I'll start with the differences in the donor area and then the recipient area. So in the donor area, the important differences are: one, the hair is more likely to be thin, and therefore the role of FUE becomes very limited. So there are major limitations to doing FUE in women. One is the thinness of the hair causes higher damage rate, and FUT is way better in women compared to the FUE technique simply because of the hair quality. The second problem when you do FUE in women is, in FUE you have to shave off a very large portion at the back. The women find it difficult to maintain a hairstyle because of short hair at the back, and all they can do is just keep the hair hanging down, so they don't have the freedom to tie a bun or change their hairstyle at all. So it's essential that, at least for me, all hair transplants in women are with FUT, and that helps in many ways. One is, of course, better hair harvest and freedom of hairstyling. The second aspect of female hair transplant is the recipient area. The hairline design is very different. The hairline design in women and men is very different. In men, the temples are higher, whereas in women the temples are lower, which means in men the hairline goes like this, in women the hairline goes like this. And never ever make the mistake of mixing them up, because the only treatment for that is to remove the transplanted hair. It's very embarrassing for a guy to move with a female hairline, and it's very embarrassing for a woman to move around with a male hairline. So make sure that you, as a patient, or if you are a doctor listening to this video, make sure that you don't mix the two. There are various designs in women that we can do. Just turn your head a little bit. That's great. Thank you. The various designs which you can do, and the most common is the seagull design or the witch's peak, the gull kind of a design. That is the most common. Another important aspect in hair transplant in women is that a lot of women have thinning of hair all over. It is impossible to transplant all over. It is just not possible. So what we do is we try to create a high density in the front, like a D. So we make the hairline. So if you see your child's mathematics set, there is a D protractor. So put that protractor here. The front hairline is the curve of the D and a horizontal line. So give a high density in that zone. As the hair grows long, it covers significant portions of the scalp, because otherwise it's impossible to create density all over. So that's the key thing. So these are the most important differences in women, uh, and it is essential that we follow this in order to get better results.